right, y'all, this is an emergency Bitcoin technical analysis update because Bitcoin is pumping like crazy right now, and I want to talk about the three possibilities for where the target is going to be for this pump. There are three specific levels that I'm looking for, and I want to share that with you right now. So first of all, Bitcoin has been trading in what we would call this ascending triangle pattern since January. And this is where every time we come to the high, we are rejecting, but every time we put in a low, we're putting in a higher low. This is called an ascending triangle, and this is typically considered a bullish pattern. So now we have three potential areas where we can look for this pump to find resistance. Area number one is simply going to be the top of this triangle. If we turn on some key areas of support and resistance right here, we can see that we're coming into a box where we have a lot of resistance, okay? We have a daily level, we have a value area high, we have a high volume node right up here. In fact, if we take the volume that was traded throughout this entire chunk of price action right here, we can see that we do have a pretty significant spike in volume right when we come up to these highs. So we do need to be watching out for potentially finding resistance at this high right up here, okay? Don't allow yourself to get euphoric and long the top of a move. Potentially what we should be doing now, if you missed the move, is looking for shorts. Now, of course, if you're already long, then hold those longs. For example, some trades that we did give in the VIP Discord, longing from 41.1K. We gave this trade set up a few days ago in the VIP Discord. Currently up, I'm holding that long. I'm taking profit out along the way. I also did take this long just based on the money flow crossover on the 4-hour time frame. That's a whole nother thing, guys, but the money flow crossover on the market cipher B, honestly, on the 4-hour time frame is such a powerful signal. That's how I got in a long from down here from around 39K, 38.8, right when this money flow crossed over. Definitely a powerful signal. We were also able to take a small short scalp this morning. Just a little while ago, because we had the plan in advance. If you do want to get into the VIP Discord where we post trade setups in advance, giving the levels that we're looking for every single day, our overall trading plan, as well as a thriving community of traders posting TA in here. The juiciest analysis, guys, you can go to patreon.com/Jason Casper to join the community. Okay, so where's the second level of resistance that I'm looking for? Well, there's two things that we need to be very much so aware of. Thing number one is this. If we take our trend line from the high to the low of this triangle, this is going to give us our measured move in case of a breakout. If we do break out of this triangle, we can see that our target is about that $56,000 area. If we take our Fibonacci retracement tool from the high that we put in November to the low that we put in down here, we can see that that target of the triangle is coming right in at that golden pocket. Now, I made a video about this yesterday saying that during relief rallies, after all-time highs and Bitcoin starts to dump, we usually do have a retracement that comes to the golden pocket before putting in a lower low that signals the bottom before we start another bull rally to the upside. The second area of interest for me is going to be this 382 level around $47,000. This would allow us to break out of the triangle, get a fake out, grab the liquidity from all these wicks right here, and then trap all those people who longed the breakout before getting a move to the downside. All of these things are possibilities. So what am I going to look for in order to determine if we are going to get a rejection? Well, one of the most powerful signals that I find when it comes to knowing when the tops are going to come in is looking at the money flow and the momentum on market cipher B. If you start to see that we have price making higher highs and we have momentum making lower highs, this is called a bearish divergence. And this means that eventually we are going to have to top out somewhere, okay? We're going to have to top out. This means there needs to be a correction. Also, when the RSIs get really high and they get really close, that means there has to be a correction. And when we come down to some lower time frames, like the 12-minute time frame as well, if you see that the momentum is getting lower as the price is getting higher, and also if you see that the money flow is getting lower as the price is getting higher, this usually signals that we are coming to a very significant top right here. So these are some things to be aware of as the price is moving higher. Something else to look for is order flow, okay? If you see that we have a whole bunch of people longing the top and then getting trapped, if you see lots of volume coming in, if you see open interest increasing, people longing the top, and yet the price isn't going anywhere, and then all of a sudden a whole bunch of shorts come in and trap those longs, that is another indication that the price is going to come down from there. Now, so far, this whole move up, we've actually had a lot of shorts getting trapped, people trying to short the top, getting wrecked along this move to the upside. If you do want to learn how to trade this way, you can check out jasoncaspertrading.com. This course will give you the knowledge and the skills you need to become a confident, profitable trader. Basically, this will give you a point A to point B comprehensive trading system so that you always know exactly where you're looking to enter a trade, what confirmations you're looking to enter, where your stop loss should be, and where your take profit should be. This is changing the way thousands of people approach these markets. And if you do want to take your TA to the next level and you want to learn about the order flow and the footprint charts and the market profile and the TPO charts, you can check out the other link in the description to the advanced TA course. This comprehensive course right here, guys, that goes over all the basics you need to know to get started. There's currently a 25% discount in the description. Make sure to check that out if you are interested, y'all. And that's it for this video. God bless everybody. I hope you found value. If you did, make sure to like the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.